Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must have admin access, backups in place, and a rollback plan. First, identify the running version and note custom configurations so you can reapply them. Next, perform a full database dump and a file system snapshot. Store copies off the server. Once done, verify the backups by restoring a small sample or checking checksums. Make sure package manager caches and repository access are ready before proceeding to the upgrade commands. You now transition to execution. First, enable maintenance mode and stop web or job workers to prevent writes. Then update repository metadata and fetch the target version packages so downloads are cached. Run the upgrade in stages, apply core binaries, then run schema migrations and plugin updates. Monitor logs and console output for conflicts and resolve dependency issues as they appear. Don't skip interactive prompts. Once the upgrade tasks finish, restart essential services and confirm. You finish by validating the system, run integration and smoke tests, verify the reported server version, and scan logs for warnings or errors. Make sure custom configurations are correctly reapplied and that caches are cleared so old data does not conflict. Monitor CPU, memory, and response times for a defined period. If something goes wrong, use your verified backups to revert quickly, then diagnose root cause before retrying. Finally, document the exact steps and any fixes so the next upgrade is smoother.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.